Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Doctor's Best MSM Powder. Are you tired of dealing with thinning hair, brittle strands, and slow growth? Well, find out why this powder got 4.5 stars out of 5 and has over 15,000 ratings on Amazon. Discover the secret to luscious, vibrant locks with MSM Powder, which supports vibrant hair, healthy joints, skin, and nails. MSM is a natural compound renowned for its exceptional benefits for hair health. MSM boosts the production of collagen and keratin, essential proteins that strengthen your hair from root to tip. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to resilient, robust strands. So, how does it work? Simply mix a teaspoon of MSM powder into your favorite beverage or smoothie daily. It's easy to incorporate into your routine and can be seamlessly added to your diet. So, check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.